in-person communication still feels different than meeting online. There could be a number of factors that contribute to this gap in communication, from nonverbal signals that are harder to remotely read, to technical factors, from jitter and lag, to the interface or interaction designs that could be leading to new effects like Zoom fatigue. We argue that it's vital to explore how any filter manipulation to the audio and video streams could lead to larger societal effects later down the line. Given the enormous scope of interdisciplinary research to be done, current video conferencing platforms may not provide the necessary tools to conduct remote research, especially with the level of experimental control necessary. And because not every lab has the resources to build specialized network solutions every time, we built our own open-source experimental video conferencing platform and aimed it to accommodate several potential experiments. Our platform is built with a researcher's workflow in mind, where an experimenter starts on the session overview page. Currently, sessions allow the experimenter to set the order, position, and size of participants joining the experiment, but also to assign any filters to the audio and video streams ahead of time. Participants are sent a link to the session, which they can join after accepting consent. Before participants are joined to the main room, where they could see others if it was a multi-participant video call, the experimenter can perform a final check to see if the filters are performing correctly, or if the lighting, camera position, and other aspects of the participant's video stream is ready. This ensures higher quality of data for an easier time during post-analysis. Our platform is self-hosted, which improves the data privacy of sensitive video stream data, but also requires some technical knowledge to set up. This is why we conducted a take-home onboarding study of 9 computer science participants to make sure the setup process is smooth, which is important to new open source projects. We gave our study participants instructions to set up their environment, run our platform, host it, and join up to 10 streams in a single experiment. Participants were allowed to edit the instructions and answer questions within the text any way they wanted, and could get in contact whenever they needed help. This table shows the self-reported time spent on the take-home study overall, which participants were able to additionally host the hub, and how many video streams they were able to successfully join on their computer. We followed up on our study with performance evaluations, where we showed the computational processing, memory, and network demands as additional participants would join a session. The computational resources increases and is highly dependent on the filter applied, such as the open face filter shown here. For more study details, please check out our poster paper. You can try out the experimental hub yourself by following the improved instructions on our project setup wiki page, which we updated from the valuable feedback received in our onboarding study. And if you're interested now, or maybe in the future, to use our platform for your next research investigation, please don't hesitate to get in touch, either by email or through our GitHub discussion page by starting a new thread. We are actively working on new aspects of the experimental hub, and you could check out our most recent progress by following us on Git. Thank you.